Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Avalanche from Phantom Wallet to Revolut in 2025. This step-by-step guide is perfect for beginners and pros alike, helping you move your AVAX tokens safely and efficiently. Why do this? Revolut makes it easy to manage your crypto alongside traditional money, and with 2025's updates, transfers are faster than ever. First things first, before we jump in, make sure you have the basics covered. You'll need the Phantom Wallet app installed on your phone or computer, some Avalanche, AVAX, in your wallet, and a Revolut account with crypto features enabled. If you're missing any of these, pause here and set them up, it's quick. Alright, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet app and navigate to your AVAX holdings. Look for the Send or Transfer option. It's usually right there on the main screen. Select AVAX as the asset you want to send. Step 2. In Phantom, you'll need to generate a deposit address for Revolut. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so double-check to avoid any mistakes. Pro tip: always verify the address before proceeding to prevent potential losses. Step 3. Switch over to your Revolut app. Go to the crypto section, select Avalanche, AVAX, and choose the Deposit option. Paste the address you copied from Phantom into the required field. Enter the amount of AVAX you want to transfer, don't go over what you have. Step 4. Review everything on the confirmation screen. Once you're sure it's correct, hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. Depending on network congestion, this might take a few minutes to an hour in 2025, thanks to improved blockchain speeds. Finally, once the transfer is complete, check your Revolut balance to confirm your AVAX has arrived. If you run into any issues, like delays, reach out to Revolut support or double-check transaction details on a blockchain explorer. There you have it. That's how you transfer Avalanche from Phantom to Revolut in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and you're now one step closer to mastering your crypto game. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.